Make a great choice today with the 2019 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, cruise control, trip odometer, trip computer, clock, child safety locks, power brakes, compass, airbags, driver, knee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.